Happy Friday everyone! It's time to make a cocktail. Today I am making Cosmopolitan from Sex and the City because I'm such a Samantha. Here is what you're going to need. Firstly, you need a martini glass, which I'm going to grab from up here. You'll need some vodka, which I've got here, and also some Cointreau, which I also have here. You're also going to need some lime juice, you're going to need some ice, and you're going to need some cranberry juice. If you want to, you can be super cool and use a shaker too. Let's begin. Step one is to put a bunch of ice cubes in your cocktail shaker, so when you put your bits and bobs in there, it all stays chilled. So let's get some ice cubes in there. Oops, no, slippery sausage. I reckon that'll do. Now this cocktail is made by parts, so I'm going to have each part as 30 ml. So you need 1.5 parts vodka, so that's 45 ml. You'll know when you've had too many of these because you'll stop being able to do maths too, so that's when it's time to stop. 45 ml there. In you go. We then need half a part Cointreau, so that's 15 ml. Going in here. There we go. Then we need 1 part cranberry juice, so that's another 30 ml going in there. Like so. Do you know what? I've never had a Cosmopolitan before, but I think I'm going to like it. I like my drinks kind of quite strong and not too sweet. Okay, and then you need some lime juice. I'm just going to squeeze half a lime in there. There we go. Put the top on and you shake for about 20 seconds or so. Okay. I'm going to add 1 ice cube into my martini glass so that 1, it looks sexy, and 2, it keeps the drink cool. And I'm going to strain this in. And there we go, 1 Cosmopolitan. And we say cheers to the Sex and the City girls. It's actually quite a generous helping. I thought my martini glasses were shallower than that, and it was quite deep, but it's been a long day, so why not? Oh wow, that's really good. I like that a lot. Oh wow, oh, that's it. I really like that. Right, thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and I'll see you very soon. Happy Friday!